QF5k pump. Following maintenance instructions will be applicable for QF5k, QF5k QF5k QCON. Please follow the safety guidelines to avoid risks and injuries. Please refer the manual for further safety guidelines for assembling and disassembling the pump. Following tools are required for assembling and disassembling the pump. Following items are available in the kit. Replacement of single-use pump chamber. Remove the screws. Remove the pressure plate. Pull the pump chamber off the bolts of the ring drive. Replace with new SU pump chamber. Place and press the new pump chamber with bore holes onto the bolts of ring drive. Mount the pressure plate. Fasten the screws in crosswise sequence, with the torque of 28 Nm. Please refer the manual in the link given for the troubleshooting of the pump.
Quattroflow quaternary diaphragm pumps, the safe choice for critical biopharmaceutical transfer applications.
PSG, where innovation flows.